precision work. Got it. Good morning, everybody. We're back at it. We are in the shop. We are working on, well, we've been working on this wiring for a while, but we haven't filmed it because it's boring.
Very boring.
Yep, so Kenny got his new wiring harness in. We are working on routing it through the engine. We got a couple of plugs that don't match up, so you know we got issues we're dealing with. But right now I'm actually going to work on building the exhaust.
Which is cool.
Yes. So Kenny's going to keep on working on wiring, and I'm going to work on putting this exhaust together, and I'm starting at the tips. So these are the tips right here. I made these little brackets right here and here. This is going to go at the tip of the tips and hold them together, and then this will also bolt to the tubing structure in the rear. So I'm going to get these welded on here. I got to build one more bracket to actually weld onto the tubing structure and drill some holes for bolts. I guess I should do that before I weld this on. Been fiddling around with this thing for about a day, getting all the plumbing done. So now Kenny's going to try and start the dang thing for the first time. Oh, we gotta hook the battery up.
Is this all ready?
Yeah, that's ready to go.
Awesome.
Nothing's trying to catch fire. Oh, we got a dinger.
Oh,
we got a dinger.
Stuff we want.
We got a dinger. We got a dinger on our hands. Okay, are you ready? Accessories on. I haven't heard any fuel pump or anything.
Yeah. Oh, I don't have the other computer plugged in.
It's not gonna do anything.
No.
Alright, that's one MZ computer plugged in. Because there's not enough power, I don't think.
Okay.
I think the battery's dead.
Okay.
Jump box is right there. Ugh. Jeez Louise.
Aye.
Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Oh my God, it fired.
Were you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Oh! Did you kill it?
Yeah. It literally just idled.
Beautifully. Do it again.
There's no coolant or anything.
I know.
What a monster! Turn off? 500.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Oh boy, oh boy.
That was 55?
Yeah.
Oh, it didn't sound like it.
Yeah, just a little.
That's almost redline.
All right, so I started making the exhaust. Yesterday I made this flange, or the tail pipes with the mounting point, and now we're just got some random crusty old bends that we're turning into exhaust.
Making our wings.
Yep, so this one's gonna come across here and connect to this back header, and then this one will go under here and connect to the one on the front side. way that it snakes around in the rear. All right, so this is what we got. I've been working on this thing all day long. It is now like 4:30. I started at like 9 o'clock this morning. There's another piece of it that's underneath the car, but this is the back part of it. So I had to make this flange right here. So I took 2 pieces of metal and I made this flange. That took me a while. Otherwise, we used the stock ones from the Toyota Camry. So we're gonna get this thing painted up and put back in, and we'll show you what it looks like and what it sounds like. You guys just missed a massive struggle to get this thing back together. So we finally got the exhaust in here. We put some heat wrap all around the header and same on the back side. We're ready to fire this thing up and hear what it sounds like with exhaust. Oh, that's what you're
a screwdriver, sir.
A screwdriver, yes.
Screwdriver.
There you go.
Are we in gear?
Is that, you want everybody to know that your car starts with a screwdriver? Fire it up! Beautiful!
Great!
Wow! That sounds awesome!
Oh my God.
Wow! That's loud! She sure is running rich.
Oh yeah!
My God!
Oh yeah!
Wow, that actually rattled my eardrums. Holy mackerel. Okay, yeah, that's intense. That is... Sounds great. I'm so happy to be done with it. Alright, so I was in here trying to get the clutch slaves or master cylinder out, and I just kind of flopped in there. But then once I was in there, I'm like, I'm pretty sure I'm stuck. So it was a bit of a struggle to get out, to say the least. Alright, so this one's a little bit harder to explain, but we used the Camry hubs, and now the brake rotor won't fit over it because the outer diameter is bigger than on the hub is bigger than the inside diameter of the rotor. So basically, we sat here with grinders with this thing in gear for what felt like an hour and smoothed these things down to the point where the rotor would fit over the hub. Alright, so we're back here. We're machining our hubs down with our grinders so that the MR2 brakes will fit over the Camry hub. And we realized that our shift pattern is completely opposite. Yeah, so reverse is up here and first is down here. So
we have 2 days to racing.
yeah.
We're gonna.
Yeah, I can drive it. Yep.
Yeah, we're gonna drive it.
First, second, third. Maybe. Most of the
That's all
time.
we'll need.
First and second. Yeah.
Yeah.
Most of the time. So, yeah, it works. It's just opposite because it's from a Camry and that goes to the front of a car and then we put it in the rear, so now it's the opposite. Alright, we're ready. This thing is moving under its own power, under its own V6 power for the first. Oh, I missed.
Misfiring.
What's up with that?
It's misfiring now.
Yeah. It was doing that last night though, wasn't it? And it would go away.
Oh my God, it's rolling.
It's moving. We're driving it. Oh, come on. Oh, does it need gas? Well, the gas light's on. I dumped like a couple gallons in it. So, something's going on. Alright, we're moving on to new things. We're making intakes out of plumbing parts.
We ordered what we think is a crankshaft position sensor to be our problem.
Yes.
Go to the part, waiting for the part.
And now we are going to use plumbing parts to build an intake.
Why we wait for our sensor?
Yeah, we already got this guy crammed on here with some heat. We got a velocity stack in there now. And we're just going to put it, stick it on there, drill a hole in the firewall, and we'll have an intake.
It's in!
All right.
Jerry would do the same thing.
We have not been recording anything we've been doing because it's been just trying to figure problems out. We had this weird miss earlier and it was throwing a code for the crank position sensor, so we put a crank position sensor in there and it didn't change anything.
But it was also throwing a code for igniter. We just didn't
for
look
the
that one
igniter,
up.
yes. So, but we also accidentally left this ground off. So we found this ground and we thought, oh, let's put this ground back on, it'll fix everything. It didn't. But then Kenny was back here while I was running it, smacking the igniter, and then it started running just fine. So we need a new igniter. But actually is running fine right now. So
We're gonna take it for another test right here in a few.
yeah, real soon.
Yeah.
It is running smoothly this time. Let's give it a shot. Did you ever go into the clutch of this thing?
What?
Did you ever even looked at the clutch of this thing?
No.
You never cracked it apart.
Nope.
All right. Oh. Okay. We're in the inside the yard. Oh. Uh-oh. Igniter. Been working like dogs. All right, we're pretty much done with this thing. For now.
Done for now.
Exactly, it's never done. I made this little panel in here. We had to cut this out in an earlier video, and now we got some shifter cables going through there. But so I put a flange around the whole thing, and then we just tech screwed it to the firewall. So that hole's plugged up now. So that's pretty much it, I think. I think we're done, right?
Yep.
For fabrication and everything for now.
We wanted to do bump stops, but we
Yeah,
didn't
we
have
got the
time.
bump stops. Well, that'll be another video. But we just don't have time to do it right now, I don't think. So, soon, hopefully, you'll be catching the race. Because I'm going to film that. Definitely, for sure.
Yep.
We'll get some video at the track.
Go zoom zoom.
All right, see you out there.